Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you watch this video from start to end, you don't need a consultant. My name is Anthony. I'm making this video to help you out for your admission in Sweden. I have studied and worked in Sweden for 3 years before moving to Germany. At the moment, I'm in Germany and I'm doing my second master in life science informatics. Let me start talking about how you can apply for admission to Sweden. Whenever you are applying for admission to any country, the first thing that you need to check is the journal requirement. For Sweden, journal requirement for master application is 16 years of education. It can be 4-year undergraduate degree or 2-year bachelor and 2-year master degree. So you will be eligible to submit a master program application to the Sweden if you have a 16-year education. You have to consider when you are applying for master program to any country is attestation. For Sweden, attestation is very simple. All you need to do is for your 10th grade and intermediate, you need to visit your board office and get your document attested from your board office. And for your degree from university, you have to get your degree attested from HEC. You are applying, you need to have original document as well as copy of all original document attested. Original document you will upload on university admission, but the copies you will send using DHL or any courier services to the university admission. Before the admission deadline, you have to submit all the required documentation. Now let's talk about what kind of other documents are required. As I have discussed in my previous video, the identity documentation, it is your ID card and your passport. And then you need certain document like university specific document and or program specific document. Like in Stockholm University, they want you to write a motivation letter. You should get a recommendation letter from your professor or from your workplace if you are working. And then the last thing is experience letter if you have experience. It is very important for scholarship. When you are applying for a master program to Sweden, you have to fulfill language requirement. Most of the master program in Sweden are in English. When you are applying to an English program, you have to show IELTS band, IELTS or TOEFL band. If you have studied your bachelor degree, your undergraduate degree, science, technology, engineering or mathematics, then you don't need to show IELTS band. You can simply get your document attested and just apply with university specific document. You don't need to show any IELTS score because you studied STEM, and STEM subject students are exempted from the IELTS. But if you are planning to apply for scholarship, IELTS or TOEFL is recommended from my side, and it will help you to stand out in the application pool. The first requirement is 16-year education. Second is a language requirement, which is fulfilled by IELTS if you have your education not from STEM subjects, and if you have from the STEM subjects, then you don't need IELTS. The third point is about your program or university specific documents, and when you are applying, you can check the university website. It should be clearly mentioned there if they want motivation letter, recommendation letter or experience letter from you. It is recommended to write a good motivation letter. I have made a video on motivation letter. I will mention the link in description for motivation letter, how you can write a good motivation letter. The last point is about identity document. When you are applying, you have to prove your identity because it should be same like your name and your information on your educational documents and your identity documents. In identity document, you have to provide ID card and passport. So Swedish application is very easy. If you still feel you have some question, you can comment and I will try to reply. When you are applying for a master program to Sweden, you should be aware that Sweden has a very centralized application system. You don't have to apply to individual university, but all you can do is you can go to the admission portal, which is universityadmission.se. Once you are on the portal, you can search the program. All Swedish universities are registered with this portal and their information is available on the portal. So you just type your program and you can get the information about the program, and when you are applying you can select that. So you don't have to apply to the individual university. It's a centralized application system in Sweden. The end of video, I would like to share a secret about Sweden. If you are applying to Sweden for master program, make sure you are coming on a 2-year master program. If you come on 1-year master program, you are not going to get tax number. If you don't have tax number, you will not get your bank account. If you don't have tax number and bank account, no job. Forget about getting a part-time job. Make sure to apply for a 2-year master program so you can get tax number and bank account to start part-time job. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm very hopeful that this video is going to help you and you don't need a consultant. Bye bye, take care.